as the oceans talk to you. When you walk past the waters, the rivers, the trees, the plants, if you stop, lower your head, bring your body all the way to the ground, kneeling on your knees. Do you feel that, child? Do you feel me, child? Do you feel the beat that is my heart? Do you feel me when I talk to you? Ke nako. Ba re ke Modimo, ba re badimo, ba tšheke ba re bodimo, ba leihlo. Ra, the eye, the gods, the Almighty, the Creator, the one you have been shunning from and saying, she is bad, he is bad, it is bad. Now she lets go. Now you find me. I've been walking millions and gazillions of years. Bloop, 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 bloop. You see me, yet you don't see me, child. Do you? Do you now? Look inside of you. Open the eye so the eyes can see. You've just been blind, wearing work gloves. That's all. I do love you.